Hey guys, my buddy Mark is on his way over with some juniper logs that were taken down from his property at Lake Billy Chinook in kind of central Oregon, Bend, Redmond area. They're building a nice house out there and they had to take some trees down for fire safety. So he's going to bring them over, we're going to mill them up, and he's going to make a table out of them and maybe some shelves and whatever else he sees fit with the lumber that we make.
Just out of something that you think would look good or whatever you think you can get out of. I mean, it has some knots, a little live edge on it.
Well, if you want knots, you're in luck.
Right?
How long is your table going to be? No. Don't have a button for that one. Because it's
Holy. It's holy.
it's holy. A couple nice ones though. You want me to square that off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are these both the same thickness?
Yeah. This one's got a little hole on this end, but
Yeah.
put it on the bottom. Oh no, actually, the bottom one might be a little bit thinner. Let me see. 2 3/8. Yeah, this one's just a little bit thinner, but once you plane it down, you can plane them down the same thickness.
Mm-hmm.
You still have over a 2-inch slab.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna slab this log up into more dimensional 2x material for his table. First I'm gonna cut it down to length though. So I'm gonna take this and cut it into some 5-inch thick slabs for a fireplace mantle. I'm gonna take a couple minutes to look at it and try and figure out which side will be the best face of a mantle, live edge. But man, this stuff smells nice. I think I'm gonna square up this back side. And I think this side will make the best mantle. Well, that was a lot of wrenching around, measuring and moving, but get the bark stripped off, the knots sanded. That'll make a pretty nice mantle, I think. Normally I pour water on the lumber to bring out the beauty, but juniper is one of those that I think it looks better as it dries. Well, I've got the 2.5 inch slabs for the table cut. I've got some miscellaneous 2.5 inch slabs, live edge cut, and the 5 inch thick mantle. Now I'm going to cut some panels. Normally I'd be splashing water on this stuff right now, but it looks awesome. Well, I think these 1/2 inch panels would make some pretty awesome closet liner or paneling for a wall, or if you had enough of it, siding for your house. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned. I got all kinds of stuff to mill up.